Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the download location in Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it launches and you can see the main browsing window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize how Brave works and adjust various preferences according to your needs. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. From this left panel, click on Downloads. This section is specifically designed to manage everything related to how Brave handles your downloaded files, including where they're saved by default. Now, in the Downloads section, you'll see an option labeled Location. This shows you the current folder where Brave is saving all your downloaded files. Right beside it, you'll notice a Change button. Go ahead and click on this button. This will open a File Explorer window that allows you to browse through your computer's folders and choose a new destination for your downloads. It's a straightforward way to organize your files exactly how you want them. In the File Explorer window that appears, browse through your computer's folders and navigate to the location where you want your downloads to be saved. This could be a folder on your desktop, in your documents, or even on an external drive if you prefer keeping downloads separate from your main storage. Take your time to find the exact folder that works best for your organizational system. Once you've found the folder you want to use, click on it to select it, then click the Select Folder button. This confirms your choice and tells Brave to use this new location for all future downloads. And that's it. You've successfully changed the download location in Brave browser, and all your future downloads will now be saved to the folder you selected. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.